SSH access is a network protocol that allows secure connection to a remote server via an encrypted link. Using SSH, you can execute commands on the server, manage its files and settings as if you were working directly on the server itself. For VPS owners, SSH access is critically important, as it is the main workspace for all essential operations. To connect via SSH, the following is required: information about our server, specifically its IP address, username, and password. This information will be provided by your hosting provider where you ordered the server. An installed SSH client. For Windows users, PuTTY is a popular choice. Meanwhile, macOS users can utilize the built-in SSH client available directly from the system terminal. However, for both macOS and Windows, I recommend using Termius. It is very user-friendly, easy to use, and offers extensive functionality. There is a free version available which is quite sufficient for regular users. There is also a paid version for those who work with a large number of servers. So download Termius from the official site for your OS and install it. Let's consider the connection using our hosting sebekvps.com as an example. Use the promo code YouTubeSebek when ordering a VPS on our site to get a 10% discount. After successfully placing an order on the website, you will receive an email with all the necessary details. Open Termius. Click New Host. In the Address section, enter your main IP as indicated in the email. In the General section, in the label line, write the name of your connection, for example, my server. Then, in the port field, specify the standard port number for SSH, 22. In the username line, type root. In the password line, enter your root pass, as indicated in your email, and click Connect. As we can see, we have successfully connected to our VPS server via SSH. Now we can start working. All commands are executed successfully.